In this Gener8 review, I'm going to be showing you an app which is basically a data monitoring app which can help you make data work for you and you can earn using your data. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Gener8 is worth your time. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. I would like to mention that there is a link that is given in the description, which is basically a free affiliate marketing guide, which has personally helped me from going from $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So if you want to get this free affiliate marketing guide, make sure you click the link in the description. Now let's jump into the website. So first of all, I would like to mention that this website looks really amazing. It looks pretty clean and it looks pretty professional as well. So I like how the website is looking, and also the domain is not that bad. It has got the .com. So most legitimate websites have .com, .net or no .co. So that really doesn't define if it is a legitimate website, but overall it looks legitimate. But let's dive deeper to look the potential of Gener8 for you guys to make money. So basically how it works is that you have to add this Gener8 to your Chrome extension, and after you add it to your Chrome extension, what it does, it monitors your browsing searches. So whenever you browse, you can make money. So that's how it works. So basically you don't have to do anything. You can sit idle and you can keep browsing on your website and you can make money automatically. So in order to do that, make sure you add this Gener8 to your Chrome extension. And I also want to mention that this website, even though it looks like a global website, but it only works inside of the UK. So if you are in the UK only, you can use this Gener8 website. If you're not from the UK, I'm sorry, this is not gonna work for you guys. But if you're from the UK, let's have a deeper dive into it. So it says everything you do online is being tracked. Thousands of companies collect and sell your data. Everyone's earning from your data except. So what it does is that they will monitor your searching history and they will show you relevant ads to it. So that's how Gener8 makes the money, and they will give you these rewards. I'm going to be showing you the rewards. Okay, so these are some of the rewards that you're gonna be getting if you get enough points by searching in the browser. So the data so after you have collected enough data, you can exchange it for these cards. So you can get Amazon gift cards, you can get these all these gift cards, then you can get other gift as well. So you can be getting all these gift cards by searching. So this is the reward that you're going to be getting when you collect these points. So I would like to mention that 1 point can take a lot of time. So in order to get these points, you need at least 830 points. So 830 points might sound really small, but 1 point is gonna approximately take you about 10 minutes. So 1 point is gonna take you about 10 minutes to generate. So if you look at this auction, where did I see auction? So if you look at these auction, you can see all of these. You can see a 15 pounds. So maybe this auction card is gonna cost you somewhere about 850 points or something. So if you add up the time, it is gonna take you a lot of time to get one of these gift cards. So imagine 10 minutes into 830 points. So that is like a lot of time. If I'm not right, it is continuous 6 days of 6 days of browsing. So for most people, it is probably gonna take about a few months to get up to 830 points. And the problem with auction is that once you have 830 points, you have to compete with other people in the world, so other people might have more points than you, so you have to bid for a higher price. So suppose if one person is bidding for 830, and if the card costs 830 and if someone is bidding for 850, if someone has more points than you, then it won't be easy to actually get this gift card. So the chances of getting these gift cards and rewards is actually pretty low. So if you're lucky, you might get one of these prizes, but I don't think it's that easy to get these gift card and other great offers. It's because this auction model is kind of hard because you're competing with thousands of people around the world for these points. So when you get a card that you want so badly, another guy will always have more points than you. So if you're lucky, you might get this gift card. So now let's go to Trustpilot in order to see if Gener8 is actually worth your time. So all you have to do is go to Trustpilot and add in the domain, and you can get the review. As you can see, the reviews are pretty great. It has got 4.1 review, and the reviews are about 3,951. So that is actually great. It is a verified company also, so that's also good. So if you look at the reviews, there's a lot of 5-star review, but if you look at the 5-star review, most of the reviews are gonna be like, it's nice, it's very good, it's amazing, all of like that. But the real review is in the 1-star. So these people, you can actually get a pattern of how Gener8 works if you look at the 1-star. So I'm going to close the 5-star and just look at the 1-star reviews. So if you look at Nathan Price, great promo, little reward. The site is great to start with. However, it does act exactly the same as all other websites. Collects your data and you just can't get the gift card as they sell out in a split second. Obviously through bots. I'm going to give it a week or two or more and then delete my account. I'm still unsuccessful in gaining a gift card. As you can see, the earning potential is pretty low for website like these, for data monitoring website like Gener8. So he thinks it is pretty much of a scam. So now let's just check the other reviews. So Mitch says he's also from the UK. You will probably get nothing. The gift cards sell immediately. This may change in the future if the cards don't sell out, but they have been saying that for years and nothing, so I do not recommend. So that's again a bad review. The gift cards, the rewards that you get is pretty low in websites like these. So another review, it's all about them 30 million valuation. It's all about them 30 mile. I don't know what is this. And breadcrumbs for the ones that created it too. Many complain it's only rewards and not cash, and the former is easy to get anyway, so they get it all for nothing, just like Facebook. Okay. Now the next review is also from Ian Boyle. He's also from the UK. They get money and you get points. I joined this about 4 months ago thinking, okay, I get 80% cash back, 80% back, and Jenner gets 20%. Yes, Jenner gets 20% money, but for me, I get points which can only be used when you set up a subscription for good. There was one offer I went for which was 5 points. It was a free cafeteria. Still waiting on it. That was 3 months ago. It's an absolute scam. Don't go anywhere near it. They track you, then they can sell your data for money and you can get points. So the common review from everyone is that they are not actually getting the gift cards, or they are not actually getting the reviews. So these people in UK are not getting the rewards, but all they are doing is just selling your information and making money. So now let's get back to the main page. So overall, what I would like to say is that I really don't recommend Gener8 because of how hard it is to get the reward. Maybe you can get the reward if you're like really lucky, but for most people, I really don't think you can make that money or get those gift cards. I think it's really hard. But there are other legitimate data monitoring app that pays you without these auction stuff. So but they only pay a few dollars a month, maybe $2 or $3 per month. That is really not a reliable option, so I really don't recommend these data monitoring apps. But if you want to go ahead and try it, you can try it if you want, but I really won't recommend for you. But at any time, if you want to check out my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me from making from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, which is an absolutely free affiliate marketing guide. If you want to check that free affiliate marketing guide, make sure you click the link down below. You can access to it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Gener8. I'll be posting more of these review videos in the future, so make sure you guys subscribe and like to the video, and I hope to see you guys on the next review video.